Hello everyone. Want to type in multiple Excel cells at once? Here's a shortcut that will blow your mind. Normally, you type in one cell at a time, right? But what if you want to enter the same value or formula into several cells instantly? I will show you two options and one extra tip. Here's how to do it. Option 1. Type first, then press Ctrl plus Enter. Select all the cells where you want to type. Without clicking anywhere else, just start typing. Press Ctrl plus Enter instead of just Enter. Boom. The value appears in all selected cells. Option 2. Already typed? No problem. Type your value in one cell first. Select the other cells where you want to copy the same value or calculation. Press F2 to enter edit mode. Then press Ctrl plus Enter. The value is now copied to all selected cells. And one more extra tip. You can use the F5 key to select cells instead of manual selection. For example, in this table, I need select only the blank cells. Each empty cell should contain the same content as the one above it. In this part of the worksheet, I use F5, then Special, to select the empty cells. I make a simple formula and use Ctrl plus Enter to write it to all selected cells. Well, if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Excel tips every week. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Excel shortcut?